Well, a 6-foot countertop does not fit in this very well. So, ended up laying it on its side and have it rest on the console up there. And this was the consequence. Yeah. Gouged up. Brother was none too happy about that. Can't say I blame him, but it is what it is. But being the responsible brother that I am, I'm going to fix that for him. See the orange stitching, whatever color it is on the seats, and it's not on there. So, figured an upgrade would be appropriate. Now to install it, I guess I gotta take off this back panel. I don't know if it pops off. I guess it just... That was pretty simple. Oh, don't you fucking strip, you screws. Or he's gonna bitch about that too. Let's see, 3, 4, 5 screws. There we go, it's coming apart. There we go. Off with the ugly black one with the gouge. Okay, I guess this thing just goes in just like that. Guess I might help if I close it just a little bit. Okay. And I guess there is, yep, the little guide pins right there, the guide it where it goes, where it's supposed to go. And in goes the screws. Double check something. They're all the same screw. Yeah, all the same. I guess this one just feels looser. Yeah, that feels a little tighter there. I think there's a slightly smaller screw that goes right here. There we go. Alright, I grab the panel. And it pops in just like that. There it is. And it matches the seats, has the stitching just like the seats. Pops open and closes just like that. There. In comparison, right there, old one and the new one. Kind of like that look, don't you think? Hope he does.